Assalamu alaikum. Welcome from Team Makbul Modifiers. Today again we bring you SJ410 soft top. It is completely built in 96 model soft top Suzuki Sierra. First, here are some pictures of the repairs being made, in which there are pictures from body repairing to bumper making. Both the front and back bumpers are handmade. Side over fender and center molding. Both were handmade irons at some point. Then it's fiber die made. Now in short it has a fiber over fender kit. The snorkel that is attached to it is also made of fiber. It is also made of iron first and then die. Face uplifting. The front grille is modified from Jimny 2020 model and applied to 96 model Suzuki Sierra, and the front bumper is handmade. Interior same as Suzuki Sierra 96 model. Its hood interior is made of all cushioning Japanese leather. Its coil spring suspension is completely identical to the 96 Sierra 1300cc. All the mechanical accessories around the engine are Japanese 96 model Suzuki Sierra. The rims are also fitted Sierra 96. Inshallah, we will meet again with a new video. Subscribe to Team Makbul Modifiers on YouTube. Allah Hafiz.